Hello guys, welcome back to Take the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram map not showing. So Instagram recently launched a new feature on their app, which is the map feature. Let's see. As you can see here, it was launched in August 2025, Instagram map, and it lets users share their last active location with selected friends, discover content from interesting places, and view updates from creators on the app. So this is the new app feature they just launched. So in order to get this, you first of all update your Instagram app. So if yours need an update, you have to update it and then you open it up. So I'll show you where the app is supposed to be. You click on your messenger like this. So it's supposed to be right here. That's where you're going to see your app. It's supposed to be here. So if you don't see yours after updating it and it doesn't work out, the next step you have to do is you have to go to your profile, the three dots. You have to log out of the account and you go to uninstall Instagram and reinstall, then you log back into your account. So after doing all that and it doesn't work out, the final step you have to take is you have to bear it in mind that it has not been launched to your region. As you can see right here, it says the Instagram map feature was launched in United States and Canada in August, and it's currently rolling out in phases to other regions including India. So if yours doesn't work out after all these steps, meaning it hasn't been launched to your region, so you just have to wait till it's been launched to your region for you to get access to it. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.